The boat pulled away from the dock. On board was Nathan Carman and his mother Linda. They were setting out on what was meant to be a short fishing trip. Once they were offshore, conditions began to shift. Dark clouds rolled in, winds picked up, and waves started building as the storm approached. The boat rapidly began taking on water, and panic immediately set in. According to Nathan, the vessel sank quickly, leaving no time to react. But we need to pause the story here, because we don't actually know if that's what happened. The boat could have suffered a mechanical failure, something breaking beneath the surface, or perhaps a sudden storm, a fight on board, or some other unexpected event could have triggered the sinking. Days later, the story resumes far from where it began. Nathan Carman is found drifting in the Atlantic Ocean, alone on a life raft. He's been at sea for 8 days, and he's still alive. His mother is gone. Linda Carman is never found.